Now we'll be running up to the nearest tenth, hundredth, and thousandth. So to run up to the nearest tenth, now let us indicate the value where the position of tenth, hundredth, and the rest. So the position of 4 occupies the tenth. The position of 9 occupies the hundredth, so HTH, and the position of 2 occupies the thousandth, so TTH. So that's position. So the first number after decimal point is a tenth. The second number after decimal point is the hundredth. The third number is the thousandth. The fourth number, if there's any, is the tenth of thousandth. So now, having known this, now it says you round up to the nearest tenth. So our major focus is on the position of the tenth, the number at that tenth position, which is 4. And what will make 4 change the number beside it, which is 9, and 9 falls in the, let's write the categories down. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. You round up to 0, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You round up to 0, and 1 is added to the next number. So 9 falls in this category. So we'll write 0 in the position of 9 and 1 to add it to the 4. So 1 plus 4 is 5, decimal 0. So when writing your answer, you won't write anything outside of this box. You can write what is by this side here, but you won't write anything outside this box here. So my final answer is 0 point what is inside the box. Now, but 4 has been rounded up, so we write the new answer 5, and this is how you leave your answer. So you leave your answer at the position of that tenth. Next one, to the nearest hundredth. So our position, this is position of our nearest hundredth. The position of 9 is our nearest hundredth. If you check here, if you check the position, the first one is tenth, hundredth, thousand. So 9 is the position of the hundredth. So that's where our major focus is. And what will make 9 change is this one beside it. 2 is in this category, so 2 will round up to 0. Add 1 to 9. 1 plus 9. Two will round up to 0. No one will be taken here because 2 is in this category. 2 round up to 0. 9 remains the same. 4 remains the same. Decimal and 0. So when writing our answer, we'll write everything outside the box at the left. 0 and 4, we'll write it down. 0 and 4, we'll write it down. Then you write what is inside the box. If it has been rounded up, you write the new answer. But our 9 remains the same here. So you write the answer here. And this is our answer to the nearest hundredth. Nearest thousandth. These 2 occupies the position of the thousandth. And what will make 2 change is the one beside it. And 9 falls in this category here. So 9 will be rounded up to 0. And 1 will be added here. 1 plus 2 is 3. 9, 7, decimal, and 0. So, but we'll write our answers. We write only the answers by the left of this box here. So we'll write 0.79 and we'll write what is inside the box. If it has been rounded up, you write the new answer, which is 3. And that's your answer. You do not write anything outside the box by the right. And this is your answer to your nearest thousandth. Now let's round this to the nearest tens. We have 1, 3, 6. This 6 occupies the position of the unit. This 3 occupies the position of the tens. This one occupies the position of the hundred. So now let's solve. They said we should round this to the nearest tens. So our focus is on the one at the position of the tens, which is 3. And what will make 3 change is the one beside it, which is 6. 6 will be rounded up to 0 because it's more than 5, and 1 will be added here. So 1 plus 3 is 4, and 1. So the numbers, and this is our answer. Any numbers outside this box here will turn to 0. And let's do another one. Let's round off. Now let's round 2492 to the nearest 100. Now, which number occupies the position of the 100? If here is tens, if here is units, here is tens, here is the 100. So this is the position of the 100, and that's where our focus is. And what will make 4 change? 4 occupies the position of the 100, and so 4 is our major focus. And what will make 4 change is the 9 beside it. 9 will be rounded up to 0. 1 will be added to 4. 1 plus 4 will give us 5. Then 2. Then every number outside this box that is turns to 0. And this is our answer. Nearest 1000. This is the position of the 1000. The 9. And what will make 9 change is the number directly beside it, which is 0. 0 will be rounded up to 0. 9 remains the same. So any number after this box here turns to 0. So the double 9 turns to 0, and this is our answer, 9000. And also this is the nearest 10,000. So after this is the unit position: tens, 100, 1000, tens of thousand. So this is our position, and this is our major focus. And what will make this one change is the number directly beside, which is 9. 9 will be rounded up to 0. I add 1 to here. 1 plus 0, 1, and 9. So every other number after this box here returns to 0. So the double 9 and the 0, this is how it will be. And this becomes our answer. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel.